We have some news just coming in. This is rather unfortunate. A blaze is being reported at high-rise building in Mumbai. This fire is being reported at the 19th floor of the Avigna Park building. The smoke billowing from the building. One person injured, rushed to hospital is what we are learning right now. Some details just coming in, but this appears to be a massive fire in a residential building in Mumbai is what we know. Also, what we are picking up is that there could be several feared trapped in this particular building. This fire in fact started at around noon today is what we know. As of now, one person is reported injured in this fire is what we are picking up. We'll go across to my colleagues who are getting more details on that big story in a bit from now. But this is a fire at the 19th floor of the Avigna Park building. The smoke, as you can see on your screen, billowing from the building. One person has died. That's the news just coming in the Mumbai high-rise building fire case is what we are learning. So some unfortunate news just coming in of the death of one individual in this massive fire that we are seeing at a Mumbai high-rise. Massive fire at a high-rise building in Mumbai. This fire is at the 19th floor of the Avigna Park building. The smoke there billowing from the building. You can see that on your screen. One person has died in this fire. You can see one person in fact on your screen trying to get out of that building, trying to save his life. One person is dead in this fire is what we are learning. There is a fear that there could be several trapped. This is a residential building is what we know. The fire started at around noon. What we also know is that teams were rushed to the incident to douse the blaze. 8 fire tenders apparently have been rushed is what we are picking up. This is a level 3 fire. This is the Avigna Park apartment at Mumbai's Parel area. This started at noon today is what we are picking up. It's a level 3 fire is what has been told by the Mumbai Fire Brigade, and the fire started at noon today. One person has died. There is a fear and a concern that there could be more people trapped in that building right now. Rescue operations continue, and this is believed to be a level 3 fire is what we are learning. It's a blaze at a residential building in Mumbai. What really happened there and how many people could be trapped in that building, we are getting in more details of that in a bit from now. This is a breaking news situation where we've just picked up, unfortunately, that one person has died in this fire. This is the Curry Road in the Parel area of Mumbai. It's an apartment called the Avigna Park apartment. Several people are trapped is what we are picking up. Traffic also in this particular road has been stopped because of the fire. The entire area has been barricaded by the police is what we can in fact confirm right now. This is the level 3 fire that broke out at noon today at the Avigna Park apartment, Curry Road. One person has died is what we can confirm. Several people are feared trapped in this high-rise is what we are learning. We'll get more details of that big story, but smoke, as you can see, billowing from the building. It's a high-rise. The fire is on the 19th floor of this particular high-rise. Fire at the 19th floor of the Avigna Park building in the Parel area of Mumbai is what we are learning. This is a high-rise building in Mumbai city. This is the Curry Road where the traffic has been now stopped. Couple of reactions coming in. Listen in.
4 लेवलची आग आहे असं आता ते सांगतायत आणि ते शक्तीचे अग्निशमक दलाचे आमच्या जवान हे शर्थीचे प्रयत्न करतायत.
नेमकं
जी आग लागली त्याच्यात जी दुर्घटना आपण बघतो आहोत की 19व्या मजल्यावर व्यक्तीला लटकावं लागलं, त्याची चौकशी करणार का? हे अग्निशमन दलाचं अपयश आहे का?
नाही, असं चुकीचं बोलू नका. अग्निशमक दलाचं अपयश म्हणता येणार नाही. तो व्यक्ती जेव्हा आग लागल्यानंतर तुरंत घाबरून तो बाहेर आला. इथे अनस्किल्ड सिक्युरिटी एवढ्या मोठ्या ह्याची या लोकांनी जर त्यावेळेला चादर वगैरे लावून जे एक समय सूचकता ते जर केलं असता, गाद्या टाकल्या असत्या, तर आपण त्याचा प्राण वाचवू शकलो असता. मी पण स्वतः पाहिलंय तो कसा खाली आला. आणि याचा अर्थ अग्निशमक दलाचे लोक शिडी लावून चढेपर्यंत तो खाली सटकला. त्यामुळे अग्निशमक दलाला आपल्याला दोष देता येणार नाही. आजही 2 लोक आतमध्ये आहेत. अग्निशमक दल त्या स्मोकमध्ये जाऊन त्यांना वाचवण्याचे शर्थीचे प्रयत्न करत आहेत.
आगीचं कारण नेमकं कळू शकलं का मॅडम? आगीचं कारण आतापर्यंत काय कळू शकलेलं आहे?
ये किशोरी पेडनेकर मुंबई की जो मेयर हैं वो यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं जहाँ पर आग लगी थी और आप कह सकते हैं कि इस वक्त आग को जो है वो कंट्रोल में लाया गया है और वहीं पर आप देख पाएंगे कि ये इलाका है वन अविघ्न जो बिल्डिंग है उसी का और पीछे ही बिल्कुल आप देख पाएंगे कि जो धुआं निकल रहा है वही वो बिल्डिंग है जहाँ पर आग लगी थी और उस आग को कंट्रोल में ले लिया गया है. तो यहाँ पर आप 2 से 3 माले पूरी तरह से झुलस गए हैं. 19वें माले का आप कह सकते हैं कि 1 से 2 रूम यहाँ पर जो रेसिडेंट से हमारी बात हुई उन्होंने बताया. आपको ये इलाका दिखा देते हैं. ये करी रोड ब्रिज से सटकर वन अविघ्न पार्क की ये जो बिल्डिंग है ये स्थित है. ये देखिए ये करी रोड ब्रिज का इलाका है. पूरा फ्लाईओवर बंद किया गया है. यहाँ से आने वाली ट्रैफिक को बंद किया गया है और ये ऊंची इमारत 60 मंजिला इमारत जो है ये बिल्कुल उसके सामने हम लोग उसका जो मेन गेट है उसके सामने यहाँ पर खड़े हुए हैं और ये आप देख पाएंगे कि यहाँ पर जो आग लगी थी उसे कंट्रोल में आप लाया गया है. और बिल्कुल कुछ जैसे सर रहते हैं आप सोसाइटी में इधर बिल्डिंग
सोसाइटी के लिए है वो
कोई नहीं मेयर से बात कर रहे हैं.
इनको लो इनका स्टेटमेंट
खाली कौन से हिस्से में आग लगी थी ये बता.
एक मिनट आ रहा है.
सोसाइटी फॉर्मेशन हो गया, बिल्डर हैंड ओवर नहीं दे रहा है उसको. अभी भी ये इलीगल काम करवा रहा है. ये सामने दिखाई दे रहा है ये. और फायर सिस्टम का कोई सिस्टम नहीं रखा. वो उसका सब FSI ये कमर्शियल बेचने में लगा है. फायर सिस्टम काम नहीं कर रहा है. नहीं तो इतना फैलता नहीं था.
सांगितलेलं आहे.
सर फिर से बताइए एक बार. फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम्स
नहीं वर्किंग कर रहा है बिल्डिंग का. और सब वो सोसाइटी फॉर्मेशन हो गया, बिल्डर अभी भी हैंड ओवर नहीं दे रहा है और ये इलीगल काम करवा रहा है.
तो लगता है कि फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम काम करो तो इतनी भीषण आग नहीं.
100% नुकसान ही नहीं होता. तुरंत कंट्रोल में आ जाता है.
ये जो 19वें माले पे आग लगी थी 19वें माले पे आग लगी थी उसके बाद 20 माले पर फैली हुई है यहाँ.
पहले वहां तक उसका सिस्टम ही काम नहीं किया. उसका फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम जो बना रखा है वो काम ही नहीं कर रहा है.
कितने लोग मौजूद थे सर? किसी को जान मान की नुकसान हुआ है?
एक का न्यूज आ रहा है. एक जन कूद के एक
हिस्से से गिरा है.
हाँ, बस एक का ही न्यूज आ रहा है.
तो बिल्डिंग के रहीवासी है जो जिनका ये कहना है कि बिल्डर की तरफ से कई दिक्कतें हैं. फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम शायद काम नहीं कर रहा था. उसकी वजह से भी आप कह सकते हैं कि आग को जो काबू पाने में वक्त लगा है वो इसलिए हो पाया है. फायर ब्रिगेड कुछ देर में ये अपडेट देगा कि आखिर कितने लोगों का नुकसान हुआ है, कितना नुकसान. बड़ी आग इस बिल्डिंग में लगी थी और उस बिल्डिंग आग लगने का कारण क्या था.
सब देना न्यूज के अंदर पूरा.
Mustafa continues to be with us for more on that. Mustafa, in fact, you were mentioning that the mayor of Mumbai, in fact, went on to say that the situation is under control. Just to clarify for us, does this mean that the evacuation has happened and are people out of the building? If you could throw a little more light on that.
Yes, of course. We can, in fact, we are here and we can see the live visuals here in which it's clearly seen that the fire has been brought under control and people have been, rescued earlier before the fire was brought under control. So, the details of a person who had jumped has come. A person jumped from 19th floor. So he has been declared broad. That's Arun Tiwari is the name of the person who was seen apparently hanging in the video, and he has passed away is what the information we are getting from the BMC sources as of now, and it looks like the rescue operation has clearly taken place. And Mumbai's mayor is also present here, and the rescue operation is over as of now, and we are getting to hear from the residents that the firefighting system was not properly working.
सेल्वासातून फोन आला त्यांच्या मिसेस परत आम्ही आले त्यांच्या पहिले इकडे पोहोचून गेले या सोसायटीचे सर्व रहिवासी त्यांचा आभार.
Residents of the society are also saying that because the society has not been handed over the fire, there was some issues with the firefighting system. Mumbai's Mayor Kishori Pednekar is with us. मैम यहाँ पर आप काफी जल्दी पहुंचे, कि मैम जानकारी मिली, आग काबू में ला दी गई है, किस तरह की सिचुएशन?
एक तो ये हाई प्रोफाइल सोसाइटी है, उसके बहुत ही गेट है. इसमें जो सिक्योरिटी और जो मेंटेनेंस कर रहे हैं वो 19 माले पे फर्नीचर का कुछ काम चालू था. उसमें बहुत ही लोग लटके हुए थे, उनको निकालने में कामयाबी मिली है. लेकिन जो लटक रहा था जिसका नाम है राम तिवारी, उसको बचाने के लिए इधर की मैनेजमेंट फेल हुई है. 15 मिनट गाड़ी आने में जो टाइम लगा है, उसके आने के बाद हम लोग जो हमारी फायर की सीढ़ी रहती है वो लगा रहे थे, तब तक वो नीचे आ गया. इसका मतलब इधर का मेंटेनेंस जो कर रहे वो अनस्किल्ड लोग है. वो देखने के बाद गद्दे भी डाल देते थे और चादर लगाते थे तो बच सकता था.
फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम भी नहीं था, सोसाइटी हैंड ओवर नहीं करे, कई शिकायतें
सोसाइटी हैंड ओवर नहीं हुई है. और जो फायर फाइटिंग का जो सिस्टम है वो आने के बाद उतना 1 घंटे के लिए वर्किंग करते हैं, उसके बाद बंद थी. ये सही बात है.
सिचुएशन कंट्रोल में
अभी स्मोक बहुत है, 4 की आग लगी थी, लेकिन अभी कंट्रोल में है.
That was the mayor of Mumbai, Kishori Pednekar, was saying the situation is under control. But yes, a loss of life which was seen, a person was seen hanging from the same building, which is a very unfortunate incident which has come to light, and the person has been identified as a person named Tiwari. He was taken to the KEM hospital, and what the mayor was saying that there could have been some more efforts to basically rescue the person, so it would have been better for the rescue would have taken place in a better manner, and the person's life would have been saved. But for now, the news is that people have been rescued. The fire is under control.
It's under control, but one person has died, is what Mustafa is telling us. Mustafa, a little too soon to talk about it, but any indication as to what could have really started this fire?
Well, it will take some time before the preliminary reports to come out as to what happened, because see, for them to really know the cause of a fire, the firefighting persons will have to go to inside the house, inside the flat, and then will have to locate the primary source of the fire. As of now, the residents have not said or alleged anything about the fire which has taken place. But yes, we'll have to wait and see what really happens and what really transpired in this entire incident of fire which had taken place before it is completely rescued. We also can see that the BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal, who is also present here, he has witnessed, he has seen and visited the spot, and he is taking a briefing from the Mumbai Fire Brigade officials for as to what really had taken place. And this you can see the entire building here now is there where the fire brigade was present, and the situation is being brought under control. But a big important issue remains here is that the firefighting, the fire had taken place inside a high rise of the building, and the mayor and the BMC commissioner is now, Iqbal Singh Chahal, is now discussing as to what really happened inside the building and what transpired and what led to the fire, because the mayor seems to be upset about the fact that a person was not rescued by the association, by the people who are maintaining this building, and hence a person's life was lost. So we are here, you can see just outside the gate number 2 of one Avigna Tower, And here you can see that the BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal is present. Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar is present. They are discussing and taking a brief from the Mumbai Fire Brigade. What was the issues? How the fire took place? What could be the preliminary reason for this fire to have taken place? And at the same point of time, to understand whether there were any lapses from the side of the developers and what should be the next action to avoid such a fire in future. So this is something which is happening right outside the gate number 2 of One Avigna Park, the building in which the major fire had taken place, and one person which has been reported till now who has died in this incident, and that person's video was seen. And this person's video was seen and he was falling, and then you can see that a person has been Tiwari slipped. He was hanging with the balcony for some time, and then he slipped, and he has been reported dead at the KEM hospital. So here we are showing you live visuals of the One Avigna Park building where this major fire had taken place. If you see upwards, the smoke is still seen here outside the building. The smoke is still seen. The fire has just been brought under control, with residents alleging that the firefighting systems were not working as it was not maintained properly, and hence we'll have to wait and see. What was the real reason. The BMC commissioner will brief us in some time as to what is his understanding on this entire issue, and what is the reason primary for the fire to have taken place. So we'll have to wait and see what happens when his briefing starts. But yes, as of now, you can see that BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal is present here at One Avigna Park where this entire incident had taken place. Sir, what was any primary reason to be understood for this fire?
Very difficult to say right now.
There were some lapses being said. There were some lapses being said. Iqbal Singh Chahal, who is here for the inspection of the building, is present here. And sorry. आराम
आपके पीछे को नहीं जाएगा सर. अनुप सर, आराम से ओके
क्या है यार ये. सर 1 मिनट यार. सर एक बार हमको रेसिडेंट्स को मिलना है सर आपको. हाँ प्लीज चलिए प्लीज रेसिडेंट्स को मिलना है.
Given the crowd, Iqbal Singh Chahal was not able to give a bite here, but as of now he has said that it's not possible to say what led to the fire taking place and what is the real reason, which will take some time, but he's going again. This is the building One Avigna Park. Here outside you can see this is one of the entrances of the building, and there are reports coming in that firefighting systems were not working, and there was
Okay, we'll come back to you for more on that, Mustafa. Mustafa telling us that there are reports, residents claiming that firefighting systems are perhaps not working. We're going to continue to keep a very close eye on that big story that we're breaking, in fact, from Mumbai city today. For the moment, it's time for a quick commercial break here.